Good afternoon, one and all. Here I welcome to all the students, to the Dean of Faculty of Social Work, to the dignitary what we have between us today with us. So it gives me immense pleasure to welcome Dr. Fahim Hassan to conduct a webinar. It would give, I would like to talk some brief introduction about Dr. Fahim. Dr. Fahim Hassan is assistant professor and nodal officer and also in Atmanirbhar Bharat. He is also working into a higher education government of Jammu and Kashmir. He has completed MPhil and PhD from one of the premier institute, Nimhans, Bengaluru. His specialization is on psychosocial rehabilitation and chronic mental illness, functioning and mental illness, international classification of functioning, child and adolescent mental health. He has published many papers focusing on mental health in many national and international journals. The recent ones begins the homelessness and mental illness, opportunity and prospects in Indian context in Asian Journal of Psychiatry. Suffering in silence, stories of Indian women with chronic mental illness and sexual coercion in Sikh publication. Besides, he has also attended and presented papers in national as well as international conferences. Dr. Fahim has also organized as well as acted as a master trainer for many of the workshops and training programs. So this was a small introduction about the expert we have with us today. We also have with us today Dean Faculty of Social Work, Dr. Sunita Jolly. She is again awarded in national as well as international conferences. In one of, I still remember last year she got from Sri Lanka. She went there. That was an international conference, and she has been awarded there, right, as a best paper presenter, right? So I would like to call and welcome Dr. Sunita Jolly again to talk here in the webinar. And so here it's over to you, madam.
एम्प्टी वेट, तीनों वेट इसके ऊपर एम्बेसिंग किए थे, कंपनी का नाम लिखा होता है, इसके ऊपर प्रॉपर्ली दिया जाता है, ठीक है? इस कार्ट्रिज का हम वजन करेंगे.
Hello. Yes, madam. Over to you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. I am able to hear you.
Actually, my computer is a bit slow. So I am putting my camera also on off. I am trying to make it on. So thank you, Neha madam, and I also warmly welcome Mr. Fahim Hassan. I think this is his second webinar with us. Earlier, Vimal sir had invited him for webinars, and I think we also had expert sessions with Dr. Fahim Hassan. So we welcome you, sir, again to the faculty. And with today's topic, I wish that we get along with a very interesting questions from the student as well, and you can throw highlight on mental health or say also. So I request you to start with the webinar. Neha madam, I would like to know whether you are going to put the sir only to speak, or both of us supposed to speak, or it is going to be counter questioning? What kind of
no, actually madam, this is going to be a series of a webinar. Today I think so we are going for adolescent, and then we would be going, the second webinar would be on children. So sir is going to talk more about the mental health on the children and adolescent, right? So it is the sir who is going to talk on the topic, and then the student can raise their questions after the webinar, when the webinar is completed, and can have some more queries which can be taken up in the expert session, the second series that can be taken around. Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Over to you, sir.
अपना काम पूरा कर पाएगा नहीं, आपको नहीं बुझा पाएगा एक्चुअली.
Thank you, Neha, for such a warm introduction.
ये सभी एक्चुअली
I hope I am audible to everyone.
स्टैंडर्ड से सर्टिफाइड होते हैं.
And at the outset, let me thank the Dean ma'am and other faculty members of Department of Social Work, Parole University, including the technical staff who have in one or other way contributed for this webinar.
जरूरी है।
special
ये हो गया
thanks
बी क्लास
and
का। अभी हम
goes
आपको
to
सी क्लास फायर के बारे में
Neha
बताएंगे, जो
for
कि
taking
गैस
all the
फायर होती
pains
है।
for organizing
इसके
such
अंदर
events.
पोर्टेबल
I
एक्सटेंशन
must
काम
admit,
लगता है,
Neha,
जैसे कि
that you have a
आपके
lot of patience.
ऑटोमोबाइल के अंदर
I
गैस का
know you
इस्तेमाल
have been
किया
running
जाता है, घर
around
के
for
अंदर किया
organizing
जाता
such events.
है। हमारे
And I
इंडियन
should
जितने
also
भी
thank
फ्लैट्स हाउसेस
all the
है,
participants who
हमारे घर
are
के अंदर
joining
फायर
or
एक्सटेंशन नहीं मिलेगा।
who have
क्यों?
joined us.
कि हमारे अंदर
So
अवेयरनेस नहीं है,
today what
क्योंकि
we
ये
have
सब काम
decided
है
that
बिल्डर को प्रोवाइड
I
करने
will
का। बिल्डर
talk
के क्लॉज
on
में लिखा हुआ है हर रेसिडेंस के अंदर
understanding
देना, लेकिन वो देना नहीं
adolescent mental
चाहता है,
health.
पैसे हमको
It is pertinent
बचा
that
लेता
many
अपने।
of you,
इसके लिए इसके
the
ऊपर ध्यान
students
देना
I'm
जरूरी है।
talking
हमको घर
about,
खरीदते
they
समय
might be
इसकी जानकारी होना
have
चाहिए,
just
लेकिन हम लोग
completed
उसका
their
ध्यान देते
phase of
नहीं है।
adolescence
अभी
or
हम
maybe
बताएंगे
in the
आपको
early adulthood.
सी क्लास
The
फायर के
point
लिए
is
कौन
that
सा फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर
we
इस्तेमाल
don't
किया जाता
want
है।
to
ठीक है
make
सर?
you doctors,
तो
psychiatrists or
सी
mental
क्लास
health
के लिए
experts, but
ऐसे रहता
to make you more conscious
है। ऐसा ही है, ये
about things
थोड़ा सा
around you.
1990
And the
से
main thing will be that
95 के बीच का मॉडल
after
है
going
एक्सटिंग्विशर, जब
through
उस
this
समय यूज
talk,
करते
you
थे
should
हम
be
लोग।
able to
तो
identify,
इसकी भी रचना ऐसी होती है, इसकी कैपेसिटी
seek
होती है,
help,
क्षमता
and
10 किलो।
encourage others to seek help. So this will be the main aim and objective of this
बोलो साहब, बात कर
webinar.
रहे हैं अभी तो, लेक्चर चल रहा है, बोल दो।
So Neha, I want to share,
इसकी
I want
कैपेसिटी
to show
होती
a
है
presentation also.
10
So
किलोग्राम
maybe I can just
ड्राई केमिकल पाउडर। ये
Yeah, you
सुटेबल
can
है
share
गैस
it
फायर
from
के
your
लिए।
end also.
गैस
by
के
yeah,
अंदर
yes,
कोई
yes,
फायर हो जाए
Yeah.
या ऑयल फायर हो जाए, बी क्लास,
uh,
बी और सी क्लास के लिए
yes.
फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर सुटेबल है।
Is this
देखिए इसके
visible
ऊपर
to you
दिख रहा
now?
होगा बी
Yeah,
एंड
it is.
सी।
Yeah.
इसके हर स्टिकर
Okay.
पे जब एक्सटिंग्विशर को
So
हम
as I have
पढ़ेंगे,
earlier said
एक्सटिंग्विशर
that
के पास जाना है,
it's going to be
उसके स्टिकर को पढ़ना है।
developing a
इसके
larger
अंदर दोनों चीज दी
understanding
होती है,
about
इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर
adolescent mental
ऑपरेशन
health.
एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर
Now, as I already said
केयर
that
एंड
the
मेंटेनेंस। तो वो
disclaimer
हमको
that
इसके
we
अंदर
don't
देखना
want
है।
you to make
तो
doctors,
उसके साथ में इसकी कैपेसिटी
psychologists or
10 किलो
mental
है।
experts, but
इसके अंदर क्या
a
मेंटेनेंस
more
करना है हमको ये
conscious
पहले जानना है।
and
ड्राई केमिकल
aware
पाउडर फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर
citizens.
सुटेबल फॉर बी एंड सी क्लास। इसके अंदर दो कंपार्टमेंट होते हैं, एक
So what,
होता
how
है
we will
आउटर
do it
कंटेनर,
in
ये जो दिख रहा
offline
है
mode
आपको,
is
ये
that
आउटर कंटेनर
no,
छोटा
first
सा
we will
कंटेनर है।
ask
इसके
what
अंदर
is
क्या
mental
होता है,
health.
इसके
Maybe
अंदर
students
कार्ट्रिज
can
लगी होती
just
है और ये इस कैप
message
के अंदर
what they
फिट रहता है।
understand
ऐसा
about
ऐसा
mental
फिट
health.
होता है। ये दिखा आपको, ये ऐसा फिट होने से क्या होगा, इसके अंदर जो कार्ट्रिज लगी रहेगी, जब वो पंचर होगी तो पंचर होने के बाद
So when I said mental
वो
health,
जो CO2
what
गैस है,
is your
इस
understanding about
वेंट
that?
के साथ, होल के साथ,
What you
ये दिख रहा
think?
है
What
आपको
is
होल यहाँ
mental
पे,
health?
इसके माध्यम से ये पाउडर जो यहाँ भरा होता है, ये यहाँ पे लगी रहती है, इस प्रकार से लगाई जाती है। दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको, ये इस प्रकार
I
से
think
इसमें
so
लगी
student
रहती है।
you can even
ठीक है सर?
you
ये
know
पाउडर के
talk
अंदर
with
पूरी
sir, you can give answers in
डूबी
between
रहेगी
also,
ये
like you know if
ट्यूब।
he is asking any
अब ये क्या
questions, so
करेगी, इसको
you it
पाउडर
can
को
be
इतना प्रेशर
participative,
होता
right?
है,
Yeah, yeah. It
7
should
से
not
8
be a
बार
one-way
प्रेशर इसके अंदर
traffic.
डेवलप होता है, और डेवलप होने के बाद ये पाउडर को दबाव करती है और पाउडर को मिक्स कर देती है, प्रेशराइज कर देती है। प्रेशराइज करने के बाद पाउडर क्या होता है, ये जो
Okay,
अंदर,
I think they are contemplating over it.
ये साइफन ट्यूब दिख रही है
Now
आपको,
you don't have to raise your hands,
ये
and I
ट्यूब,
cannot
ये जो
see it
एक
also.
मिनट दिखा
Now
दीजिए।
I
ये जो
hope
ट्यूब है
all of you
साइफन
have a
ट्यूब,
physical health.
जब ये प्रेशर का
Same
दबाव
way you
ऊपर
have a
से
mental
जाएगा
health
नीचे,
also.
तो ये साइफन
And
ट्यूब
I
के
know
माध्यम
many
से
of you
इसमें
might
से
have felt angry in
डिस्चार्ज
past
होकर
week.
बाहर पाउडर
You might
निकलेगा,
have felt
पाउडर
sad
क्लाउड फॉर्म में होगा।
also. You
कैसा
might
फॉर्म
have
होगा,
felt happy
क्लाउड
also.
फॉर्मेशन। अभी इसके
And
केयर
you
एंड
might
मेंटेनेंस
have
क्या
felt
है इसमें,
stressed
ये
also.
साइफन ट्यूब
So this
सोडियम
is your
बाइकार्बोनेट
mental
जो
health.
पाउडर होता
Your
है,
mental health
वो उसके अंदर पूरी डूबी
is your
रहती है।
emotions.
डूबने
It's
से इसके
normal
अंदर में
to
केक
feel
फॉर्मेशन होता
a
है।
whole
केक
range of
फॉर्मेशन क्या
emotions,
होता है, कि
including
सोडियम
negative
बाइकार्बोनेट
ones
का
also.
नेचर ये है कि
We
मॉइस्चर
have
को
mental
अपने अंदर
health
ऑब्जर्व
just
करता है। दैट
as
इज द
we
बेसिक
have
कांसेप्ट ऑफ सोडियम
physical
बाइकार्बोनेट
health.
का नेचर है।
Okay.
तो जैसे वो हवा के अंदर जितना मॉइस्चर होगा,
Now,
उसको
what
वो
is this mental
अपने
health?
अंदर लेगा, और
So
अंदर लेने
mental
के
health
बाद
includes our
पाउडर लंप
emotions,
बन जाएगा। दैट इज कॉल्ड लंप।
psychological as well as
तो लंप
social
बनने से क्या होगा,
well-being.
ये इसका जो स्पेस
Mental
है
health
ये
affects
बंद हो
our
जाएगा, और
the
इसमें
way we think,
एक्सट्यूसर आउट,
feel, and act.
एक्सट्यूसर से पाउडर
It
आउट नहीं
also
होगा, और
helps us
पाउडर आउट नहीं होगा
determine
तो
how
आपका
we
जो
handle
पर्पस है वो
stress,
सॉल्व नहीं
relate to
होगा।
others,
तो इसको सबसे
make
पहले
social
हमको साफ करना है,
relationships,
देखना
and
है।
also how
और
to
जो
make
इसका ये
choices in our
वेंट है
life.
ना, डिस्चार्ज,
So mental health is very
ये
important at
डिस्चार्ज
every stage of
पॉइंट है
life,
इसका।
from
तो इसके अंदर से
childhood,
हमको एयर
adolescence,
सप्लाई
and
करते हैं,
throughout your
या
adulthood.
उसको एक पतले तार से 3 या 4 mm के तार से
Okay. Now,
ऊपर नीचे डालने
we
से
say
उसका
that
स्पेस
mental
बना देते
illness
हैं, और बाद में
occurs
उसको एयर से हम क्लीन
when the
करके
brain or
साफ करते हैं।
parts
इसका
of
फर्स्ट
brain
मेंटेनेंस ये है। दूसरा
stop
मेंटेनेंस होता है इसका जो पाउडर अंदर भरा है, ये
properly.
पाउडर को अंदर से हम
It's
धूप में
something,
डाल देते हैं 3 से 4
very
घंटे जब
simple,
धूप में रहेंगे सन में, तो लंप जो होंगे पाउडर
without
के
any
निकल जाएंगे
complication
और उसको
definition of
फिल्टर करके
mental
पाउडर
health.
को फिर से इसमें चार्ज कर देंगे।
Now,
फिर
what
उसके
could be
बाद
the symptoms?
कैप को हम देखेंगे,
When
कैप का
anyone of
प्लंजर बराबर काम करता है नहीं करता
has
है,
mental
ये
health
प्लंजर है अंदर,
issues or
इसके
mental
अंदर
health
निडल है
disorders.
और इसके अंदर
So what
वाशर
are
की
the
कंडीशन
symptoms?
क्या है,
Okay,
अगर वाशर
we
बराबर
have
होगा,
issues
ये
in
वाशर जो
terms
बनता है
of the
नियोप्रिन
way
रबर
we
से बनता है,
think.
इसमें 60%
Okay,
नियोप्रिन होगा रबर वॉशर, तो इसकी लाइफ ड्यूरेबिलिटी ज्यादा होती है। उसके बाद ये कैप को हम इसके अंदर असेंबल कर देंगे
more than normal,
और जैसे कि आपको बताया था
or
सेफ्टी
lesser
क्लिप यहाँ
than
पे
what is normal.
लगा देंगे प्लंजर।
Some of the other symptoms can be we will start pulling away from people, and from our usual activities we will start having low energy, we may start feeling numb or like nothing matters for us, and we may start having unexplained body aches, pains, we may start having feeling of helplessness, hopelessness, feeling usually confused, forgetful, on edge, angry, upset. Okay, we may experience sudden mood swings, as I have already said, and some people with
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है,
other
रख दो।
psychosis
अभी क्लास डी के लिए भी ये
they may
सुटेबल
start
है।
hearing
क्लास
voices
डी जो फायर है वो
when
मेटल
people are not around them, or they may believe those things which may not be
इसके
true.
अंदर वो पाउडर का
Okay.
इस्तेमाल किया जाता है,
And overall,
पाउडर
we
होता
may
है,
be unable to
लेकिन
perform
इसके
daily
अंदर
tasks
पाउडर स्पेशल
like
ड्राई
taking
केमिकल
care
पाउडर
of
का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है।
our
तो डी
school
क्लास के लिए, डी
work,
क्लास जो
taking
फायर
care
है
of our
क्लासिफिकेशन के
friends,
हिसाब से
looking after
उसके
our
अंदर ये
health and
एक्चुएजर का
other things.
इस्तेमाल होता है, और यही एक्चुएजर का केयर एंड मेंटेनेंस सेम उसी के प्रकार से किया जाएगा।
So when these
उसके बाद
symptoms
ए
or
बी
these
सी डी
issues
आपका चारों चार हो
significantly
गया है,
disturb
लेकिन
our
अभी हमारे पास
daily
डिफरेंट
lives,
डिफरेंट एक्सक्यूजर
so
नए
we
आए
may say
हैं,
that a person has a
उसको
mental
हम
health disorder
देख सकते हैं
or a
कैसे
mental illness.
स्टोर प्रेशर टाइप
Now,
का
if I will start
गवर्नमेंट ने
going on
गाइडलाइन
the
किया है
causes, it is again,
कि
it will
स्टोर
be
प्रेशर
a
टाइप का
separate
एक्सक्यूजर आपको इस्तेमाल
lecture on
करना है।
that, or
उसके
a
इस्तेमाल
discussion on
करने से
that.
क्या फायदा है?
So we say
उसके
it is
इस्तेमाल करने से
mixture
ये
of
फायदा होता है
the
हमें,
genetic vulnerability plus your environmental exposure.
छोड़ दो,
Say for example, many studies
जो
say that
एक्सक्यूजर है स्टोर प्रेशर में
genetically,
ये फायदा है
if one of the parent is
कि
suffering from
हमको रिस्क
mental health
फैक्टर कम हो
issue,
जाता है।
the risk
रिस्क
for
फैक्टर क्या है? अभी
children
कार्ट्रिज को
is
हम
10
लगा रहे हैं,
times higher.
उसका वजन बराबर नहीं हुआ,
And if both the
कार्ट्रिज का
parents
नेचर
are
है,
having
अगर
mental
उसके
health
अंदर
issues,
CO2 अंदर डालते
then
हैं
the
काफी
lifetime
दिनों
risk for mental illness
तो
in
उसको
children
हम
is
लोग
about 40%.
देख नहीं पाते।
Saying
इंटरनल
this, although the
स्पेस क्या है
vulnerability to
अंदर के हमको
mental
देखने के लिए
illness
हमारे
tends
पास
to
ये
run in
मशीन नहीं है अभी
families,
फायर से इसके
but
अंदर में
still
लाई गई
there are no
कि भाई
genes
उसको
for
अंदर से देखा
psychiatric
जाए कि कितना
disorders
थिकनेस उसका कम
in the
हुआ है कि नहीं।
sense
वो
like we
नेचर है,
have genes for eye
अगर
color.
CO2 के अंदर मॉइस्चर तो होता ही है,
No
तो
known
मॉइस्चर की
gene
वजह
is
से
either necessary or
कोरोजन नेचर
sufficient to
होता है,
produce
तो
the
कोरोजन होने के
disease.
चांसेस होते हैं।
So it
तो
still
इसके
remains
लिए हम
unclear how
स्टोर
these
प्रेशर कर
genes
दिया है,
interact with
और स्टोर
others
प्रेशर के
or with the
डिजाइन डिफरेंट
environment,
टाइप का होता है। उसके
which
अंदर एक
could
वाल होता है
increase,
जिसमें डायल होता है,
you know,
डायल के अंदर तीन
person's
गेज तीन
vulnerability to
प्रकार की
certain mental
मार्किंग की जाती है।
illnesses.
फर्स्ट मार्किंग है रेड, सेकंड
Now,
मार्किंग है
what is
ग्रीन।
the
शायद
definition
आपके
of,
कॉलेज
you know,
में लगाया होगा
adolescence?
स्टोर प्रेशर टाइप का। अभी
So
रिकमेंडेशन
adolescence
यही है
is
कॉर्पोरेशन की
a
कि भाई
transitory
आपको स्टोर
stage or
प्रेशर
a
एक्सक्यूजर का
phase
इस्तेमाल करना है,
in
लेकिन
which a
उसमें
physical
एक
mental
प्रॉब्लम है। जो
development
स्टोर प्रेशर
occurs
जो डायल
as a
गेज होता है,
transition phase
जो
between a
स्प्रिंग होती है
childhood
जो
and
प्रेशर को शो
adulthood.
करती है, उसके अंदर की
Okay?
स्प्रिंग कोरोसिव होने
So
की
it
वजह से
ranges,
वो
as per the
डायल के गेज के
WHO, it
नीचे वहीं
ranges
खड़ी रहती है।
between 10
एक्सक्यूजर
to
खाली है
19 years.
उसका भी
And
मालूम नहीं
most of
पड़ेगा,
you might have
उसके अंदर
crossed
प्रेशर
this
खत्म हो गया है, वो
phase.
भी हमको मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा। इसके अलावा अभी
Again, it has
दूसरा है
been,
वाटर
you know,
टाइप का ऐसा होता है,
bifurcated into early adult to
मैकेनिकल फॉर्म का भी स्टोर
early
प्रेशर आ गया है।
adolescence, middle
और तीसरा आपका
adolescence,
ड्राई
and
केमिकल
late
पाउडर का
adolescence.
ABC पाउडर के नाम से जाना जाता है, वो भी हमारे पास में आ गया
Now,
है।
what are some of
दैट
the
इज द
key
न्यू,
development areas
और
for
इसका भी केयर मेंटेनेंस शेड्यूल
adolescents?
उसके अंदर
No,
दिया हुआ है।
first of all,
अगर आप
we
BIS
do
को
have
फॉलो
physical
करते हैं
changes,
तो
like
BIS का
it is
जो
the onset of
केयर एंड
puberty
मेंटेनेंस ऑफ फायर
for both
शेड्यूल
girls
है।
and boys, skin
IS
color
का नंबर है
change,
उसका, मेरे पास अभी नहीं है
boys
अवेलेबल, तो
experience
मैं आपको
growth in
दिखा सकता
facial
था।
hairs,
उसके
change in
हिसाब से हमको
voices,
उसका
girls
काम
experience
करेंगे। अगर हमारा
beginning of
एक्सक्यूजर हेल्दी है
their
फर्स्ट फायर
cycles
एक्सक्यूजर, तो हम
and other
उसको
hormonal
चलाना
changes.
जानते हैं।
Similarly,
जो वहाँ पर
cognitively
काम करने
also,
वाले व्यक्ति है,
we start
कर्मचारी
at this
है,
age,
ऑफिसर,
the
अधिकारी जो
adolescents
भी है,
start develop
अगर
ability
उनको
to
बेसिक
think
कॉन्सेप्ट इसका
abstractly.
मालूम है,
They
कैन
start
स्टॉप द फायर,
more
दे कैन
critical
रिड्यूस द
thinking
फायर
skills
रिस्क,
and become
जो
more
बढ़ने वाली उसको
self-aware.
कम कर सकते हैं।
Okay?
लेकिन इसके लिए
And
हमने आज तक कोई
exhibit
काम नहीं
increased
किया,
communication
इसलिए
skills.
मुझे बहुत दुख भी है,
Emotionally,
क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल के
we
अंदर
become
बच्चों को इसके बारे में
sensitive
कोई पढ़ाया नहीं जाता।
and
हर
we
चीज
are
पढ़ाई जाती है,
vulnerable
इंजीनियर
at
बनाते हैं,
this
डॉक्टर
stage
बनाते हैं,
emotional
साइंटिस्ट बनते हैं,
please,
लेकिन फायर के
and
बारे में
sometimes
अवेयरनेस बहुत
become
कम हो गई।
easily
इस
manipulated.
चीज का मुझे खेद है,
So we exhibit an
लेकिन
increasing
अभी हमारी
capacity
जो
for empathy. Okay?
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, भारत
And
सरकार वो
socially in
जागरूक है,
adolescents,
क्योंकि बहुत सी
we
दुर्घटनाएं
display
हो
a
चुकी है
more
जिससे जान माल
developed
की
and
बहुत हानि
social
हुई है।
consciousness,
उस हानि को
become
हम
more
मिनिमाइज कर
aware of
सकते हैं।
relationships,
जैसे कि छोटा सा
exhibit
बुखार आने
desire
पर
for
एक डॉक्टर
independence
उसको
and autonomy.
एग्जामिन करने के लिए ब्लड चेक करके आ जाए, भाई देख लेते हैं आपको मलेरिया
Similarly,
हुआ है या
young
क्या हुआ है,
adults,
या
it's
कोरोना तो नहीं हो गया,
extremely
चलो
important.
भाई
They
चेक कर
start
लेते हैं।
developing
चेक
this
करने से डायग्नोस होगा।
concept
इस
of
प्रकार हमको फायर का भी डायग्नोस करना
self-identity,
है कि हमारे पास
self-awareness.
रिस्क क्या है,
Okay,
उसका
the new
प्रोटेक्शन
way,
क्या
in
है।
the new way
अभी
of
चलो
thinking
मार्केट में
about
डॉक्टर अवेलेबल है,
oneself
हॉस्पिटल अवेलेबल है,
emerged
एवरीबॉडी कैन
during
बी गो देयर
adolescence.
एंड चेक कर सकते हैं हमारी हेल्थ का, लेकिन हमारी बिल्डिंग का, हमारी लाइफ का चेक करने के लिए कोई ऐसा पैमाना नहीं बनाया, पैरामीटर बनाए नहीं है, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसके अंदर जजमेंट दिया है कि सभी लोगों को इसको फॉलो करना है और इसके ऊपर बहुत बड़े तौर पे कार्यक्रम चल रहे हैं और सभी लोग के अंदर जागरूक हो गई है। इसके लिए मैं सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं जो आज आपने वेबिनार किया, यहाँ पे मैं इसको कंक्लूड करूंगा। अगर किसी के कोई क्वेरीज है तो हम 10 मिनट और बैठ के इसके बारे में जानकारी ले सकते हैं। कोई दिक्कत है शायद
So 1 in 5
तो सुरती बात कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हमारी आवाज और हमारी जो
may experience or will be suffering from mental health.
शायद समझ
I don't know how
में
many of us are present in this webinar.
हिंदी उतनी
Just
शुद्ध नहीं रह चुकी है,
yourself you
आपके गुजरात
calculate
में आने के बाद जरा
how many of us will be having
अगर हम
or
ज्यादा शुद्ध हिंदी का इस्तेमाल
at a
करेंगे
greater risk
तो
of
बेचारे लोगों को जो
developing
ज्ञान मिलना वो भी
mental
बहुत
health
दूर भागने
conditions.
लगेंगे, भाई इतनी शुद्ध हिंदी हमको समझ में नहीं आती है।
So this is very important for youth, especially the
भाई
students.
तो मैं इसको कंक्लूड करूं।
Now
just 1 minute.
there's a 20%
Yes, sir.
और
Thank you
दोबारा
very much, sir.
youth
और अगर
aged
आपका
13 to 18
अगर
years
आपको कोई दोबारा
that I
कोई
already
जानकारी
said they
चाहिए
already
या
live
कोई
with
हमारी
mental
मदद
health
चाहिए
conditions.
तो
Okay?
हम लोग आपकी सेवा के लिए हाजिर हैं,
And then
क्योंकि दैट इज द
Thank you so
नेशनल
much.
प्रोग्राम है।
10% of
Fire
youth
safety is
have
the national program
behavior
to
or
save the
conduct
lives, to
disorders.
save the nation. That is
And
the
what is
motto
more
of
important
fire
is that
service.
the 50%
Thank you.
of all
Bye-bye.
Thank you so
lifetime
much, sir,
mental
for
health
that. Sir,
illnesses
just wait for
begin
Sir,
by the age of
हाँ,
14.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
By
बोलिए
the
बोलिए
age of
आपने अच्छे से समझाया
75% of
और
it
लोकल
begin by
लैंग्वेज
the
में है
age
तो
of
जितने
24
भी
years.
पार्टिसिपेंट्स है उनको अच्छे से
Now,
समझ में आया।
why this is
And
more important
we
because
can also know
these
the
mental health
deep
conditions
things and the basic
start
things about the fire
at a
safety.
very
So
young
it is
age.
not only for us,
Now,
but it is
what is
also
the
for
other
society. So thank you very
reason
much,
for
sir, for your
concern
very
is
informative session.
the average delay
Sir,
between the
if you give me
onset of
permission,
symptoms
can I share this screen?
and the help
madam, okay.
we go to seek is between 8 to 10 years.
बाय।
So you can
1
see
minute,
the
sir.
gap
Just wait
from
for 1 minute, sir.
Sir,
when the
Because we are
illness
sharing a
starts
certificate.
and when we
Sir,
go and seek
Can you
help
see the certificate,
for
sir?
our issues. By the time
No,
for
नहीं
many
दिख रहा है।
people it
Visual
becomes
नहीं है।
very late.
हाँ आगे आगे
Okay?
मैडम।
हाँ.
And then
Sir,
suicide
on
is the
behalf of
third
Parul
leading
University,
cause of
I'm
death
going to,
in
I would
youth,
like to
which is
felicitate with
between
the
10 to
e-certificate.
24 years
ओके
old.
ओके
So thank you very
Now
much, sir,
moving
for your
on,
valuable
so what
time.
is happening in
ओके
India?
मैडम, थैंक यू। ये सर्टिफिकेट
Sir,
को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, हमको भेज देंगे आप
13%
हमारे
is
मेल
the
में।
prevalence
share
of
it. I will
mental health
send it
illness in
on
India
your mail ID,
as per
sir.
our
और कोई
national
भी
mental health
इंफॉर्मेटिव
survey.
है, कुछ
Okay?
चीज इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप
And
कांटेक्ट कर सकते
20% of
हैं।
global
और नेक्स्ट टाइम में यू कैन
suicides
चेंज द
occurs in India.
सब्जेक्ट वेबिनार के अंदर।
And what about
That
our
is a
mental
very
health
small subject,
facilities?
लेकिन इसको
49%
करने
of
के
them
लिए थोड़ा
are
मुझे
just within the
फैसिलिटीज
radius of
अवेलेबल नहीं है,
20 kilometers.
लेकिन नेशनल फायर सर्विस को
Okay?
नागपुर में हमारे पास सब
Now
फैसिलिटी
talking
है,
about
ऑडियो
awareness,
विजुअल है, पूरा
still
दिखा सकते हैं हम लोग।
57% of
वो
us
अच्छे से बनाया गया है
we are
हमारे। आप
not
नेशनल फायर
aware
सर्विस को
about
कांटेक्ट
what
करिए
mental health is.
वेबिनार के अंदर। मैं डॉक्टर
Again, 50
नटराजन
crore
करके,
of
he is my
us in
friend,
India
बहुत सीनियर आदमी है
who are suffering from
और he is
mental
the
health
doctor।
issues need
और
immediate
आपसे
mental health
संपर्क करें कभी,
interventions.
मुझे मेरा नंबर आपके
Now
पास
look
है
at
और
our
मैं उनका नंबर शेयर करूंगा
strength
और
in
वहाँ के
terms
डायरेक्टर
of
का भी नंबर शेयर करूंगा।
infrastructure
आपको कोई भी
in
इंफॉर्मेशन नेशनल
health.
लेवल के आई कैन शेयर
Say
यू। Okay?
0.3%
Bye bye. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
Okay,
are
thank you,
available
sir.
for
Bye.
see 1 lakh population and see how compare it
So
with other
thank you all the
countries, it is
participants.
6.6.
Now it's a
The
time for a
main
break.
worry
So
is
we
that
will meet
the mental
in
health
the same workshop at
conditions
2
are
o'clock.
going to cost us around
Thanks again to all the
1.24 trillion
participants.
between 2012 to 2030, sorry. And in India, at least 1 in 20 suffer from depression. Again, I am saying these figures are underestimated. It is more than that. Now, I am not going to talk about all mental health conditions. It's going to take a lot of time. So in these common mental health issues, what I'm going to talk today, I have left 2 things which are also very important. One is suicide and substance abuse. They also impact our youth. Till now, are we having any questions, or Neha, we can take them at the end?
Yeah, I cannot see any questions raised in the chat box or to me, so I think so we can go ahead, sir.
Okay. So then we can take certain questions at the end if you have.
Yeah.
Now, first thing what I'm going to talk about is depression. I think every one of you feels sad. at some point of time. You know, maybe you might have been scolded by your faculty, or you might not be enjoying good relationship with your friends or your family. We do feel sad, right? All of us, we feel sad, and it's normal also. But when it becomes a problem, when you have sadness persisting for a longer time, okay, that's what I said. Everyone feels sad or low sometimes, but these feelings usually pass with little time. But if these feelings stay for a longer time, then that means there is some problem. Okay. Now this depression, which is also called a major depressive disorder or a clinical depression, that is a different thing. It can cause severe symptoms. I said, when the sadness, first of all, sadness is a normal emotion. But if it persists for a long time, okay, say for example more than 2 weeks, then it means there is some problem. Okay, the depression can cause severe symptoms that affect how you feel, think, handle, or do daily activities. It is an illness that can affect anyone, regardless of your age, race, income, culture, or education. Now, what are some of the symptoms? As I already said, first, a very important thing will be depressed mood, what we call pervasive sadness. That means sadness that persists for a longer time and which is continuous. Longer time means it should be at least for more than 2 weeks. There will be lot of loss of interest and enjoyment. Okay, now what I mean here, previously if I used to enjoy watching a movie, going out with friends, going out for dinners, now post depression, those activities which used to give me enjoyment earlier are now not giving me any pleasure. Now post this depression, if I am going out also, I am not getting any pleasure which I used to get earlier. Okay, and very importantly, there will be reduced energy. You will feel low. You will feel like you don't have any energy to do anything. Okay, and because of that lack of energy, there will be the activities which you are doing in your day-to-day life that will also come down. Okay, and you will start having this feeling of worthlessness, helplessness, and hopelessness, what we in psychiatry call cognitive triad. Okay, these are very important for people who are suffering from depression. They will start feeling worthlessness, that what I am nothing. Hopelessness, there is no hope in future. What is there in future for me? It's all bleak. Okay, and then helplessness. There is no one who can help me, who can take me out of this condition. So these three things are very important. And for many people, they will start having problems in concentration. Now, if you are having low mood, you are having these feelings of worthlessness, hopelessness, helplessness, definitely it will affect your concentration and your disturbed sleep and appetite. You won't be able to sleep properly. Sleep in the sense, if you will fall asleep, after some time you will wake up, and then again you will sleep for some time, or for some people they are not able to sleep only. And their appetite will be affected. And what we have seen with many people in with depression, they will be having significant weight loss, but it does not happen with everyone. Okay, for some people also, say for example, morning time their depression will be worse, or their sad mood will be worse. And very importantly, there will be hike in suicidal tendencies. So we have to be very careful in terms of if we are meeting or seeing a person with depression. He may need help. Okay, many people who commit suicide, the underlying reasons for most of them is depression. Okay, so these symptoms should last for at least for 2 weeks. As I said, we do feel sad, most of us, and if it is persisting for a long time, then that means we have to go and seek help, or you can go and talk to your teacher, you can go and talk to your faculty that you are feeling like this. That's what I said in the beginning. There is no harm in seeking help. Okay, now see what depression, how it impacts us. 18 million people. Okay, and then depression is a leading cause of disability for all ages between 15 to 44. So this age group is a most productive age, and depression affects during this age and makes many of us disabled. So moving on, so next thing what I am going to talk about is generalized anxiety disorder. So what I have highlighted in inverted commas is free floating, that I will talk at the end. Now, what is this generalized anxiety disorder? It is characterized by persistent and excessive worry about number of things. Again, I am saying we all do get anxious, but that anxiety goes with time. But again, if this persists for a long time and remains there for whole day, that means again we need to go and sought help. So people with generalized anxiety disorder may anticipate disasters and may overly concerned about their health, family, and other issues. Say for example, if I am suffering from a generalized anxiety disorder, what I will do, I will start anticipating. Oh, if I will be stuck in traffic jam, I will reach late to my work, my boss will scold me, and then I may lose my job. But that has not happened. But people with generalized anxiety disorder, they start anticipating like this. Okay, so individuals with generalized anxiety find it difficult to control their anxiety or their worries or their apprehensions. They may worry more than that seems warranted about actual events, okay, or may even expect the worst even there is no apparent reason for the concern. There may not be any concern or any reason for which will precipitate the anxiety, but for people with generalized anxiety, they may not need a specific reason for getting anxious. Sometimes just the thought of getting anxiety throughout the day, makes difficult for people to function in their day-to-day lives. So people with anxiety don't know how to stop the worry cycle and feels this anxiety beyond their control, even though they usually realize that their anxiety is more intense and not warranted, but still they are not able to control it. So many people believe worry prevents bad things from happening, so they keep on worrying about things. At times, people with anxiety can struggle with physical symptoms. As I have said, they might be having motor tension, say for example, fidgeting, walking here and there, headaches, trembling sensations, and inability to relax, and other autonomic reactions, which we call involuntary reactions. Say for example, they may be having sweating, they may be having epigastric discomfort, dizziness, dry mouth, and these symptoms, what I have said, should again persist or should be present for at least for weeks, and for some people it lasts for months also. Now I have said in the beginning why we call it free floating. You can see it in inverted commas. The essential feature of generalized anxiety disorder is that the anxiety will be persistent. One, it will be not restricted to a particular environment or circumstances. If it is that case, then it becomes a panic disorder or a phobia. Okay, so in generalized anxiety disorder, it should be present for almost most of the day, and in that case for weeks together. Okay, now say for example, if somebody is having anxiety and then he complains of epigastric discomfort, so I know most of you will be rushing to a physician because you are having epigastric discomfort. So what physician does? He will be prescribing you with some medicines, but the underlying cause is something else. That's what we have been repeating again and again, that our physicians, they are well aware, but they should be able to identify these people who will be having underlying mental health issues and then refer them to a specialist, say a psychiatrist, or the person will be in the loop of physicians taking drugs for some other disorders or some other disease when the underlying cause will be mental health. Okay, now moving on. Now what is this panic disorder? Okay, many of us do have or suffer from this panic disorder. So people or youth with panic disorder have sudden, again I am repeating, have sudden and repeated attacks of fear that lasts for several minutes. For generalized anxiety, it was that the anxiety should be present throughout the day. But for panic disorders, the attacks last only for few minutes or several minutes, and after that the person again starts feeling better. But that is not the case with generalized anxiety disorder. Okay, so these panic attacks are characterized by fear of disaster or losing control or even death, when there will be no real danger present. Okay, but they will be having these kind of attacks. A person again will be having, during panic attacks, a person may have a strong physical reaction. Okay, what I have already mentioned over there, they might be having increased palpitation, chest pain, choking sensation, dizziness. Okay, they may feel things are not real, and some of them might have other fears also, like fear of dying or they are losing control. But again, this will only last for several minutes, say for example 4 to 5 minutes or more than that. Okay, again, and one more thing is that the person, after this attack passes on, again I said that the person becomes normal, but he will be still preoccupied with these attacks. He will be anticipating, he'll be worried the attacks may again occur. He may again get the attacks, such kind of attacks. Okay, and the person with panic disorder may become discouraged and feel ashamed because he or she cannot carry out normal routines like going to school or attending college or going to university or doing other homework. Okay, and again I forgot to tell say in the beginning that depression as well as anxiety and panic disorders, the women are more vulnerable. It's because that they undergo through certain hormonal changes, so which make them more vulnerable to depression as well as anxiety and panic disorders. Now moving on, the other thing what I'm going to talk about is social anxiety disorder. I hope all of us, we have that stage anxiety. We don't like to go on stage and and we feel that I don't know what I will be speaking about. But the social anxiety disorder, it goes a step ahead. Right? Now when I define the feature of social anxiety, which is also called social phobia in other Western countries, it is an intense anxiety or fear being judged or negatively evaluated or even rejected in a social or performance situation. That's what I said. Most of us do have that stage anxiety. But the social anxiety disorder goes steps ahead from that anxiety what we have. Okay, people with social anxiety disorder may worry more about acting or how they are appearing or how people are seeing them. They may start blushing, or they may fall short of words, or even they may stumble with over words. Okay, they may feel they are being viewed as awkward or stupid in certain cases. As a result, many of the people who are having this social anxiety disorder, they avoid going to social or situations where they have to perform. Okay, and when they cannot avoid the situation, they experience shooting up energy, a significant energy and distress. Okay, which may also include what I have said, intense anxiety. And what could be the other symptoms when they are not able to avoid the situation? Their heart rate becomes very rapid. They may start having nausea, and they may start sweating a lot, and may experience full-blown attacks. Although they recognize that the people with social anxiety disorder, they do recognize that their fear is excessive and unreasonable, but they often feel powerless against their anxiety. And when they are not in a situation where they have to perform or say do anything, they most of them act normal. But many people with social anxiety disorders, they don't even go to marriage functions. They don't meet people outside. Okay, that's what I said. They end up staying away from places or events where they think they might have to do something which will embarrass them. Okay, I hope till now you have been able to understand few of the things. And Neha, am I audible?
Yes, you are completely audible and very nice and very simple language. So I think so everybody can understand each and every single thing. So it's really nice.
Okay, let's move forward.
Yeah.
Now this is what obsessive compulsive disorder. Just tell me how many of you go and just, if you are locking the door, then you again go and you have that doubt whether I have locked properly or not. Whether I have closed my laptop or desktop, whether I have locked my cabin properly, or my car. And sometimes in a layman's language we say, I think I am having obsessive or compulsive disorder. But boss, let me tell you quite frankly, this is more than that. And in a clinic, when I was in NIMHANS, working as a junior consultant, we used to see cases, and it's really disturbing. The people who are suffering from obsessive compulsive disorder. Now, what are these obsessions? Okay, and what is this obsessive compulsive disorder? So the person who is having obsessive compulsive disorder have recurring, I am repeating, have recurring unwanted thoughts, ideas, or sensations that make them feel driven to do something repeatedly. Okay, now I am having a doubt which is coming again to my mind. That is called obsession. Now if that obsession makes me to do any activity, that's called compulsion. Say for example, I am having doubt that my hands are dirty, or my hands have caught germs. So that's a doubt which is going in my mind. Okay, and this doubt creates anxiety, and I feel like going and washing my hands. So the activity what I am doing after getting thoughts is called compulsion. So doubt or any thought which is coming repeatedly to my mind again and again, which is unwanted, is obsession. And if that obsession makes me to do any activities, it's called, compulsion. Now, these repeated behaviors such as hand washing, checking on things, or cleaning can significantly interfere with persons or youth's daily activities and social interactions. Now, I remember one of my patients whom I used to see in Nimans had this doubt of reading, and had this doubt of whether he has filled documents properly. Now, if he used to go to the bank to write a simple check, he used to spend their entire day, because he used to get caught in this doubt, and then doubt used to make him to again write a bank form. Again, he used to think, okay, I might have not written properly. He used to throw that and start writing a new form. So he used to do that the entire day. That used to consume his entire day. And these things, if you are doing repeatedly unwanted things, it does create a lot of distress to all of us. Okay? Now, the God given to us is that, see, many things do come in our mind, but we have this ability of thought shift. For example, there are many thoughts going in my mind, and now Neha has come to your I am addressing to the participants. Now Neha has come to your classroom, or in that, say, Vimal has come to your classroom to teach you. At that point of time, you are able to sideline those unwanted thoughts. You are able to do thought shift, and you are and you are able to focus on the lecture. But with people with obsessive compulsive disorder, they are not able to do this thought shift. Okay, so what are some of the obsessions what we see? Fear of germs or contamination. Okay, aggressive thoughts that I may harm somebody or I may beat somebody. They won't beat, but they are getting these thoughts again and again. Okay, and then I think this is what I am also doing, and most of us will do this. Thoughts of symmetry or perfect order. Say, for example, my mother, if things are not proper at home, she will feel uncomfortable and scold all of us. Say, for example, if bed sheet is there and it has wrinkles, she will go and make it again proper, and then she will say, you can sit, and if you are not using the bed, please keep things properly. Or she wants things in a specific order, and the things should be in that order, otherwise she get angry. And I think this happens to most of us. Okay, and what are some of the common compulsions? Excessive cleaning or hand washing. I remember one of my patient, she was I think foreign return, and then settled in Bangalore, and she used to visit to us in OCD special clinic. But she had this obsession of doubts that she has germs, or her hands get contaminated. And what I have seen, she has almost peeled off her skin from hands, and you can see visible marks. And the husband used to tell me that, sir, she used 3 to 4 soaps in a day, and entire day she'll be washing her hands. Okay, and then the other compulsions are ordering, arranging things in a particular way, repeatedly checking. Okay, whether I have locked, I have closed, I have written properly, I have locked the door, I have switched off the oven, and other things. And many students, what we have seen, they have this obsession of doubts in terms of when they write or read. Now, I had a patient who had this doubt of writing. So he used to overwrite a single page, a paper 1,000 times, 100 times. And again, he used to do that continually. Okay, so it's a very disturbing disorder, and it does badly affect people. Okay, so when we can call
these obsessions are, it's a disorder when you are deeply frustrated and you are not able to control these thoughts, and after thoughts, the activities related to them. Okay, when the time and mental energy spent on these thoughts and behaviors interfere your everyday life. As I was giving examples, how many of my patients, the entire day they used to end up doing these things. Remember, a person with OCD cannot control his thoughts even he wants to, spends at least 1 hour in a day or more than that about these thoughts and doing these activities, does not get pleasure where doing these repeated thought, having these repeated thoughts or doing these repeated activities. Okay, so they experience significant problems in their daily lives. Now this is the OCD cycle. As I said, first a thought, a disturbing, unwanted thought will come to their mind, and that thought will start anxiety. People may feel distressed and they want to do something to reduce these thoughts, and then when the compulsion takes place, they do behaviors and perform activities where their anxiety related to the thought goes away, and then relief comes. Again, this relief is very temporary. Again, the thought will come back. So this cycle keeps on going and persisting. Okay, so we can speak on OCD for a complete day, but we don't have time for that. Let me move a little faster. For 2 to 3% of population, again, I have said these figures are underestimated. It is more than that. Okay, now this is very important. Now, very important for the participants who are university going students. When, as I have earlier said, that the mental illness onset is between 14 to 24 years old. Majority of mental illnesses starts at that point of time, and there is a big gap of 8 to 10 years from the beginning of disorder and when we go and meet the doctor. So in these 8 to 10 years, a lot of problems occur, a lot of disability takes place. Okay, now when there is an early onset of mental illness, we know mental illnesses, they are unpredictable in nature. Okay, and this is your early phase of education. Your educational attainment goals get affected. So people may drop out, they may not come continuous to the schools. And what happens when you are not going to college, university, not able to complete your education? So you will be having low self-esteem. Again, we know education and employment are, they correspond to each other. You will be, if you are not able to complete your studies, your employment opportunities will be less. You may get employed but underemployed. That means you will get less or low wages. Okay, and people who has early onset of illness does not go and meet the doctor, they will be having poor functioning. Their life functioning will be very poor. Okay, now that's what I said. Please identify if you have any issues, go and seek the help and encourage others to seek help. Stigma is the main reason that prevents us from getting help. You see, just 60% of the people with mental illness does not go. Again, I say these figures are underestimated. Okay, because we have this negative attitudes or negative understanding about people with mental illness, and that prevents those people from going and seeking help. And also we should come out of our perceived stigma, what I call self-stigma. I may feel that, okay, if I have mental illness, if I will go and talk to someone, I will be stigmatized, I will be called bad, and what people will think about me. But you should always think that the life is not, this is your life, and if you are not seeking help, it's not going to make
impact on others except you and your family members. That's what I again I am saying. Please identify. If you have issues, seek help. More importantly, encourage others to go and seek help. Okay. Now moving on, just I will take some few minutes about this. Okay. Now I said, now we have spoken about mental disorders, but I am saying that if a timely help, these disorders can be treated and you can live a happy life. Most of mental illness can be cured, but can be usually treated effectively to minimize symptoms. And if you are aimlessly going and seeking the help, to begin the treatment, you need to go and meet a qualified mental health professional. The first thing, that go to doctor, talk about your problems, and then let him see how he can help you out and plan a treatment for you. Okay, the treatment can involve, see, if you are going for early help, some small amount of medications and counseling and therapy can help you to come out. But if you are taking time, you may need to take more medications for a longer time. Okay, so that's what I said. We need to invest in adolescent or young adults. Okay, because they are the pillars of any nation. So if they are healthy, that means in a longer run we are having a healthy nation. Moving on, I hope you are able to see this diagram. Is this diagram, this one second?
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
is this visible to you?
Yeah.
Now this is what I called mental health quantum. On the top is a good good well-being, and below is a poor well-being. Now, good well-being is I have a mental health diagnosis, I have met doctor, I sought help, I am doing well, I am enjoying my life. Other part of it is I have no diagnosis and I am enjoying my life, I am doing well. Now, what is poor well-being? I have mental health diagnosis, but I don't go to doctor, I don't meet doctor, I don't take medicines, and I am not coping well, and definitely people will not be happy. And on the other part, I don't have any mental illness, I don't have any diagnosis, but still I am not coping well. Boss, we need to cope well with our environment. The environment is very bad, it keeps on throwing challenges at us. And that is how you need to cope up with those challenges. The coping up with those challenges make you a better and effective human being. Okay. Now let me give a small example. Neha, I think we have some more time.
I think so. We have only 8 minutes left.
Can I take some 4 to 5 minutes more?
Yeah. No worries. You go ahead, sir.
Okay. Now see. For the participants, all of us will get stressed with exams. Okay, and the stress of these exams negatively affect our sleep, our appetite, our mood, and our anxiety is very high. So our exams are going to happen. In other words, the mental health or well-being gets negatively affected. Okay, but people don't have diagnosis of mental health problem. It's only because exam anxiety that creates these ripples in our mental health. So once exams are over, we all are fine. Okay. In a similar way, the people who are having diagnosis of mental illness, they may have episodes of not being well, but that does not mean they cannot live a happy and well life. The point what I want to make here is that whether we have diagnosis of mental health problem or not, all of us still experience good or bad days. Okay, the same goes with people who have mental health problem. But people often assume that if you have a diagnosis, you have gone to meet a psychiatrist, that means you cannot live happily. That is not simply true. Okay, if you are not going in seeking help, that is going to make your life very tough. Now these 8 things you need to remember. What is that? Talk about your mental health and health also. Do exercise, try to calm yourself. Okay, that's what I said. Environment keeps on throwing challenge, and how you come out of that challenge, you learn a new skill. That's how, and gain confidence. That's how things go on. Okay, relate, spend time with people, meet people. Okay, and then do certain creative activities that give you pleasure. This is, you should do otherwise also. And I hope all of you are doing these things, and you, if you are not doing, please do these things. Okay, for students, 5 tips to manage, cope your stress: get good sleep, focus on your strength, that is take time and think what you are good at, focus on that and build on your strength. Do things that make you happy, like find activities or hobbies that make you happy. Engage physical activity, because physical activity makes your brain more stronger and it functions in a better way. And talk to someone, find someone to talk to. It can be a teacher, a parent, and this is how you manage your stress. And for teachers, provide environment for students to talk, let them express and tell what they are going through. Education needs to be imparted. You can make a special classes or a part of the curriculum where mental health and mental well-being can be discussed. Okay, and then again, training of teachers. You need to train the teachers, because ultimately they are going to give it back to the students, so they need to be trained what is mental health and how it can be improved. You need to give them tools. Okay, you need to have certain tools in the university, say for example a psychological counseling cell, a psychological counselor, and vice versa. Please do take care of teachers. This is for the admin. I think Dean ma'am is listening to us. Please do take care of teachers. If their mental health is well, and that mental health is going to reflect in the students and overall output of the university. Okay. Now I just want all of you, this is the end, I just want all of you to just look at this. What is this? What you are finding in this? What is it? What are these 4 words?
I can see it good.
I want you to see more properly. Even Vimal can also tell what he can see. Is it good or something else?
Mood.
Is anybody able to see something else besides good?
Yes, sir. I want to add.
What is that?
Evil. It is evil.
Oh, very good. See, some people are seeing good in evil and evil in good. Okay. See, this is the mantra of life. This is how you approach to things. If you want to see good, things will be good. Okay. And if you want to see evil, then things will move on like that. Okay. With this, I hope I have not bored you. With this, I will end my presentation. And back to you, Neha.
Yeah, first of all, after having the sessions from your end, sir, it was really very nice. Complete knowledge sharing and valuable experience what you have really shared it with us. So actually, after listening to you for the entire 1 hour, I have understood where actually I fall. Today my camera is not working in the computer, so I'm really worried about that for the entire 1 hour, how I can on it my camera, but not talking much on that part. So now, sir, actually I think so we all have understood that where actually we are falling, right? Because I believe we all have some or the other minor problems with us, right? So we need to work out on that, as sir has already said, that keep on doing reading, writing, exercising, calming, so it is going to overcome. And yes, that is the minor thing, so we can overcome it because we are very much involved with the other activities of the daily life, right? So that is the reason we are not into major, so thank God. Okay, so again, sir, thank you so much for coming and conducting a webinar at Faculty of Social Work. So on behalf of Parul University Faculty of Social Work, I would really thank you so much. Sir, here we have my fellow colleagues with me. They are also attending the webinar. I would just like to give their introduction.
Sure.
You might be knowing Vimal sir, assistant
Vimal
professor.
I know very well.
Yeah. And we also have Assistant Professor Neeta Waghela, Dr. Rajnikant Parmar, Dr. Christina Parmar, Assistant Professor Shruti Bhosle, and Assistant Professor Nadeem Rizvi. And we have again admin staff with us, Binal Madam and Kaushik Bhai with us. So again, on behalf of all of us, I'm saying thank you, sir, so much. So over to you, Madam. Madam Sunita, Madam.
Yes, Neha, Madam.
Yeah, so it's over to you. Would you like to say something in the end as we have ended?
No, I think those slides were very wonderful, Fahim sir, and I was really, impressed to see especially the slide and the concept of mental health continuum, which very few people know. And I am sure even the teachers must have learned this concept of mental health continuum and how it is applicable. So I hope students have gathered the best of the knowledge that you have shared. And I could not, hear the questions raised by the students. So next time, when there is a webinar, we can, Neha Madam, you have to tell students that what the topic is going to be, so that they ask meaningful questions.
Yes.
If sir is taking so much pain, let us also prepare ourselves.
Yes, ma'am.
And you as a teacher can brief the students about the concept and everything.
True,
because
madam.
not everyone can teach mental health.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So overall, a very good webinar. Thank you, Fahim sir, for joining us.
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
We look forward for long-term relationship.
Ma'am, I'm always available for Parul University. And,
I'm grateful that Vimal sir introduced you to us.
I should tell you one more thing that both.
And it has continued.
Ma'am, I should tell you one thing that both Neha and Vimal, I have seen them very dedicated, because I think we are supposed to do certain things last time, but due to my unavailability, but they persist on things they want, and I just want to congratulate you that you are having people like them on board.
Right.
Yes, and it's overall a very good experience with you. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
So thank you, Fahim sir, again. And I think so we have completed the time duration what we have for the conducting webinar. So I think we all can leave, sir. Okay, and I'm so sorry that my camera is not working.
It's okay. That's completely fine.
Yeah. So we can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Take care.